Alright, are you stuck on the prolific waitlist and starting to wonder if you will ever get approved and into the program? So now you are not alone because thousands of people apply every day, but only a small percentage actually get in fast. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you exactly how I got off the prolific waitlist. So the mistakes most people make that keep them waiting for months, why some are approved, why some are approved faster. So in this video, I'll be sharing the proven methods to increase your chances of approval. So I will also share what to do once you are accepted, so you can start earning money on prolific right away. So, and if you stay until the end, I will reveal the ultimate resource. That's in my in-depth course I sell on Seller, but we're migrating to our website soon, so where I'll go even deeper into prolific, then plus other high-paying online research platforms that can multiply your earnings. So if you've been Googling how to get off the prolific waitlist or a prolific application tips, you have landed in the right video, because I'm going to be showing you everything right away. So first of all, let's clear the basics. Prolific is a research platform where you get paid to take part in academic and behavioral studies. Unlike other survey sites, Prolific is trusted by universities, researchers, and organizations worldwide, meaning the pay rates are higher and the studies are more interesting. But here's the catch now. Prolific don't just let anyone immediately. They use a waitlist system to control the number of participants based on the demand from the researchers. So this is why some persons would wait for weeks, even while others wait for months without even hearing back from Prolific. But the good news is the waitlist isn't just random. So there are specific things you can do to improve your chances of getting accepted, and that is what this video is all about. So let's talk about why so many persons get stuck. So the number one thing that keeps people stuck in a prolific waitlist is incomplete applications. If you rush through the sign up and don't provide accurate details, Prolific is gonna flag it, and whereby you won't get to hear from them back. Another thing is profile mismatches. What do I mean by profile mismatches? If your demographics don't match what the researchers are currently looking for, you may not get prioritized. So this is what you should keep in mind. And another thing is high demand in the regions. Like most persons tend to apply for the UK accounts there. In my private tutorials, I do tell my students to focus on US accounts alone. So why do I want them to focus on US accounts? Is if you live in the US or in the UK, the waitlist is longer because more applicants come from these countries, especially the UK. So if you make an account on US, you're gonna get off the wait list so soon, and you're gonna be having studies to partake in. Another thing is inactivity. If you apply but don't check your account for updates, you might miss the approval notification. So the more you log on into your account, the more you trigger the algorithm of the prolific that this person is still in the wait list and is waiting. So understanding these key issues is the key, because once you know what prolific looks for, you can adjust your approach to move faster through the wait list. So now let's talk about the legit methods to get approved faster. So if you want to get approved faster, like the methods to improve your chances of getting off the wait list, then the first thing you should do is fill out your profile completely. Don't leave any fields blank. The more detailed your demographics, the more valuable you are to the researchers. Be accurate and consistent. If you say that you are a student in one section and unemployed in another, that's a red flag, and that is what you should keep in mind while filling in your application. So update your profile regularly. Prolific algorithm checks for active accounts. So now I'm gonna be showing you the exact method on how to sign up on a Prolific. So watch this video to the very end, and if you're getting value from this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notifications so you get updated whenever I upload more videos into the channel. So let's dive in straight into the video. Don't skip, because if you skip, you're gonna miss out on the important key factors. So wish you all the same.